Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript complete course. So in this video we're going to talk about array in JavaScript. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. A JavaScript array is an object that represents a collection of similar types of elements. There are three ways to construct array in JavaScript. First is by array literal. Second, the array by creating instance of array directly by using the new keyword, and third by using an array constructor using the new keyword. So first let's check the demo of an array in JavaScript. So let's jump over to the JavaScript file. So as you can see, this is the simple syntax of an array. First we are going to create an array by using its name, and then we're inside the opening and closing curly braces, we are going to pass the array value and separate them by using the comma. So now let's check a look to the real example. So here first we are going to create a variable. So this one will be array and opening and closing curly braces, and inside the double quotation here I'm going to pass the value. First we are going to pass the ID, so this one will be 101, and then we are going to pass the name of the, for example, student, and then we are going to pass last name, for example, and let's add a semicolon at the end of this syntax, and after that we are going to create a for variable. So let me remove this everything from here, and we are going to say var I is equal to 0 and I is less than array dot length semicolon I plus plus. So it will print all the data of the array for us. So let's say document dot. So here I'm going to pass the array name, and inside the opening and closing curly braces I'm going to pass the for loop variable, and then let's add the plus sign and let's use the break line code. So now when we save this, here you can see that our array, first one is ID of student, name of student, and last name of student, and you can see it's printed successfully. So as you can see, our array works completely. And as you can see, this length property, this property returns the length of an array. The next, we can create an array directly by using the new keyword, and this keyword is used to create instance of an array. Now let's create this as well. So let me remove this from here, and here we're going to create var I, and after that we're going to say var array is equal to new array, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to say array opening and closing curly braces, and I'm going to pass 0. So let me tell you that the array index, first index of a array is 0, so the array index starts from 0. So in first we are going to pass the 102 ID, then we are going to, and the second we are going to pass the name of the student, and after that we are going to pass his last name, and that's it. Now we are going to create a for loop. So for, let me remove all this from here. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than array dot length I plus plus. And let's remove this from here, and here we're going to use document dot write, and we're going to pass the array and now let's save this, and as you can see the same thing happened here as well. This is another way of creating an array in JavaScript using the new keyword. So in the third way, we need to create instance of an array or by passing arguments in constructors so that we don't have to provide a value explicitly. So here I'm going to create the third example as well. So first let's remove everything from here, and here I'm going to create var array is equal to new array, and here I'm going to pass array value inside the double quotation. So this one will be 103. Excuse me. Make sure to separate this by using commas, and here I'm going to pass the name and last name, and add the semicolon at the end of the syntax, and after that create a for loop, and let's remove this from here. So this one will be var I is equal to 0, I is less than dot length comma I plus plus. So I'm going to remove this from here, and let's create a document dot write. So now let's save this, and as you can see, ID number 103, the name is Ahmad and last name is Karim. So this is the third way of creating an array instance of an array using JavaScript. This is another way of creating an instance of an array using the JavaScript by using the new keyword. And arrays also have methods. So there are a lot of methods in array. So we are going to just talk one of these, which is a connect method. Let me remove this everything from here, and let me first talk about array. So the JavaScript array connect method combines two or more arrays and return a new single string. This method doesn't make any changes in original array. So first what I'm going to do, so first I'm going to create a array 1 and pass the text here, something to our array like C, C++, Python, and after that let's create another array and here I'm going to pass Java, JavaScript and Android. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another variable by the name of result, and I'm going to combine these two arrays. So the first one is array 1, and I'm going to use the connect method, connect with array 2. So I want to connect array 1 with array 2 and pass them inside the result. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to dot write result. There we go. So when I save this, as you can see, it works as the same as you pass all array data type into one single line. So hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave a comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are not going to miss any new update in our channel.